The MADI USB card for the Soundcraft SI series of mixers is used for connecting your mixer to a Stagebox or to a computer for recording or streaming. In this video, we're going to quickly cover Stagebox routing to get audio from our Stagebox to the mixer. Let's get started. First, verify that we have a good wire connection between the Stagebox and the mixer. The lock lights on the MADI card should both be lit solid. If these lights are flashing, try a different cable. The optimal cable type is Cat5 unshielded under 100 meters or about 300 feet. Although other types of Ethernet variants can work, we recommend trying with the shortest available Cat5 unshielded that you can find if you're experiencing issues. If you're using the MADI USB card instead of a dual MADI card, try following our initial setup video to set the card to its default configuration. Links will be in the description below. Once the lock lights are solid, tap the Shows button from the main menu of the LCD screen. Now, press the Reset Config button. The mixer will ask if you're sure to reset the configuration. This will not clear any DSP or mix settings like EQ or effects, but it will clear any routing options that may no longer exist and refresh the mixer's available I/O connections. By now, you should see a green Stagebox icon in the top right of the LCD screen. If you don't, go back and verify all the steps again up to this point. Let's get some audio from the Stagebox now. I've got a microphone plugged into the XLR input number 1 on the first row of the Stagebox. I want this microphone to be on channel or fader number 1 on the mixer. Press the Select button for this channel. On the main menu, press the Inputs button. Scroll down to Input Patch under Patching. Right now, in the default state of the mixer, ours show mic 01, which means that the mixer is looking for the signal on the XLR input number 1 on the back of the mixer. Select this to change it. In the input selection screen, press the arrow in the top right of the screen until we get to the Stagebox slot section. We know our microphone is on the first input of the Stagebox, so select number 1 here. The box should now show an orange check mark indicating the currently selected channel is assigned to that number. We can go ahead and test the connection now. If safe for your microphone, turn on the phantom power by pressing the 48V button in the input section of the mixer. When this button is illuminated, phantom power is on, and you should also see the 48V light turn on the Stagebox input. From here, the input is patched and you can continue your setup. Here's one more quick tip. Let's say I've got inputs going all the way up to 16, filling up my Stagebox, and I want to route them quickly 1-to-1. Here in the input selection screen, there's an autocomplete button. Pressing it will first ask you to confirm overriding the patch settings of the other channels in this group of 8. Press OK, then you'll see that numbers 2 through 8 are now showing gray check marks. These gray check marks indicate that the channel number is occupied by some other channel that we don't have currently selected on the mixer. As we press the select button through the channels, the check marks will change, which is also orange. This autocomplete feature filled out our channels up to 8, but we'll need to repeat this process for the remaining 8 up through 16. That's all for setting up your MADI USB card. If you're still experiencing issues, then give us a call or start a chat with us from our Anytime Help Center. Please like and subscribe for more video manuals like this. For more news, product information, and troubleshooting tips, visit us at soundcraft.com or our Anytime Help Center at help.harmonpro.com.